Hello everyone, this is Jesus Marti from Avelista. In this video, I will briefly introduce the idea brief canvas that we created at Avelista. For all entrepreneurs and startups out there that are developing or want to build physical products, the idea brief canvas is a tool to link your product solution and features to your users' problems and needs. I'm sure you have done your work defining your business model, but it is common that as you move into the solution development, the focus on the problem and user needs fades away and the features and requirements don't link back to the original problem. So we have created the idea brief canvas to map out your solution in a single image, which will help you to focus on the problem and user needs to build the right solution, prioritize the features to validate your product earlier, make the right decisions for your product during design and development, and have a more efficient communication and collaboration with others. So this is the actual idea brief canvas template. So you will start from the top left corner with a problem statement. Then it helps to visualize the problem that your target users have by presenting a situation in which they encounter this problem. Next, define the user needs by extracting them from the problem statement. Make sure to list them by priority. Then fill the product solution that addresses those user needs and problems. Now you can define the features of your product by linking them to the user needs, which will automatically be ordered by priority. Fill in the competitors, either direct or indirect, and the external factors that might have an impact in the development. Lastly, fill in the requirements that again are linked to the features, which at the same time are linked to the user needs and problem. As you can see, the idea brief is filled in starting from the top left quadrant and moving sequentially to the right side of the canvas. So that is the basic introduction to the idea brief canvas. You can get the link to the template and other resources in the comment area. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website to learn more.